Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome. Either way, thanks for stopping by. Today I've got a video for you that I am super excited to make. I'm going to be officially announcing that I am starting at least the parts collection process to do a twin turbo build on my LS Chevy SS. So I'm super excited to share that with you, share my plan, let you know what the current setup on the car is, and what I hope to accomplish with this build. And I hope that you guys will come along with me for the journey because it should be pretty awesome. So let's first start with what the current setup on the car is. All right, guys. So currently this car is a Texas Speed bottom end, and that's just Texas Speed rods and pistons. It has a stage 1 port and polished head package, also has a Brian Tooley Racing V3 stage 2 in a street cam, also running the Holley Sniper EFI low ram intake manifold and fuel rail combo, running fast 65 pound an hour injectors, has a Circle D 3200 stall converter, American Racing long tube headers, X pipe, and straight piped out the back. The car was tuned and made about 580 to the wheels. So that's the current setup on the car. I would like to now show you what I am so excited for, and I cannot wait to get on this thing. So I found these turbos on Marketplace and knew that I had to have them. So I picked up these VS Racing 7668 brand new turbos. They were never mounted. They've never seen exhaust. They are journal bearing, you know, so they're not ball bearing or anything. They're not super cheap turbos, but they're not really high end either. They were hydro dipped. They have that cool Second Amendment Constitution hydro dip on them, which I think is really cool, going on in American made powered vehicle, and I'm super excited for it. So my plan is with this car, it's going to take some work, but I do want to do forward facing and like mid mount turbos in the engine bay, potentially sticking out of the hood slightly. We'll see. These turbos, with all the supporting mods, with the built motor that I have, should be capable of producing well over 1,000 horsepower. And I'll tell you, I am not trying to make that much power. I'm looking to maybe make 850 to 1,000 at peak to have that number, right? But drivable, I want to make about 8 to 850. So shouldn't be hard from where I'm at with these turbos. It should be super easy work for them. But I hope you guys come along for the adventure, for the journey. I'm sure there's going to be a lot of trials and tribulations with it. Nothing is going to be bought off the shelf. Actually, I also picked up a fuel pump. So one of the easiest ways for you to get more fuel flow volume for the Chevy SS is to buy a CTSV fuel pump. So the pump in the Chevy SS is the same one that is in the ZL1 Camaro. It's a 255 liter per hour pump, and that's going to be maxed out somewhere around 650. The CTSV pump, however, is a dual 190 liter per hour fuel pump, and it's a direct replacement, so I don't have to do anything. Just put it right in there and we're good to go. We've got all the fuel we'll need. So I can't wait to actually start working on this project, hopefully this winter. In the next couple of months, I'm going to continue to gather some parts and pieces so that way I can start on it as soon as possible. But like I said, I really hope you guys join me for this adventure. I appreciate you stopping by, watching. If you've made it this far and you're not already, If you could do me a favor and subscribe, like, comment, tell me what you think. Tell me if it's going to work, if it's not, if it's a terrible idea, great idea. Anything helps. I really appreciate it. I am trying to be more consistent, and I hope you guys enjoy what you're seeing. If you do, let me know. If you don't, let me know. I can change it. But that's it for now. Thanks for watching. And remember, it's only a dream until you make it a reality.